how to do Marichyasana A or Marichyasana 1. Let's understand the meaning of Marichyasana. Marichyasana is a dedicated pose to sage Marichi. Marichi meaning in English is the ray of light. What are the benefits of this pose? It helps you to open and stretch your hamstring and whole back of the legs. Helps you to create mobility in the shoulders. At the same time, very good for your spine. And the pose is a forward bend and has some little twist. Now, who should not do this pose? The people, those who have sciatica pain, slip disc, they should avoid doing it. And at the same time, if you are pregnant, please do not do this. So let's start. So you'll be sitting in Dandasana. Take out your hip muscle out so that you're sitting evenly on your sitting bones. From here, you're bending your left knee. Make sure your heel doesn't touch your buttocks. It is slightly forward. Now, what will be the gap in between the inner foot and your inner thigh? Very simple. Your outer foot and your hip should be in a line, not in, nor out. After this, you need to really flex this foot, become more tall in the spine, open up the chest. Now, from here, you are moving your knee slightly out. Make sure the inner foot is pressing down to the floor. Press the big toe firmly on the ground if it's come up. So press it more down. And then you extend your both arms up towards the ceiling. Move forward. It's a forward bend we are performing. Flex the foot properly. Now, create more space so that your trunk comes inside. From here, you extend your left arm towards the left side diagonally. Just have a feeling someone pulls your left arm towards that side. In that way, you'll get a deep stretch in the sides of the trunk. And from here, you are giving an internal rotation of your shoulder in such a way where your thumb starts to face up towards the ceiling. And then you are curling this arm to the shin bone. And then try to take it back as much as possible you can. Now, suck the leg into the trunk. Suck the leg into the body. And then from here, you extend your right arm towards the right side, same way diagonally. Same action for this arm, for the shoulder, internal, and then you are holding it. Just grip it nicely, and then you are going into Marichyasana 1. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more yoga tutorials.